Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from Mobile WizTech. Today I want to talk about a couple case options by i-Blason for the Samsung Galaxy S20, and I'll also be doing a giveaway for all of these cases. And I'll get right into it right after this. Now before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to i-Blason for providing these cases so I can do this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe and a notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with my channel content. Now, according to i-Blason, all of these cases have survived a 20-foot drop test, and it's made out of military grade material, as you can see there. And this first one we're going to look at is the black color one. And let's see here. Again, this is the black one. And think of some other materials inside here. So a thank you card, installation guide, which more than likely you would not need. So that's simple. One other thing here. Okay. As you see, it does not come with a built-in screen protector. So that's some information for you as well. So there you have it. Let's put that to the side. And this is the first case. So let's go ahead and take a good look at it. Let's look at that lip first. Nice raising right there, as you can see. So your screen should be protected pretty good. Let's look at the cutouts and the buttons. You can see the buttons there. Cutout for the camera. Cutout there. And your cutouts here. And your charge port cutout. Nice looking, very simple, and nice grip to it as well. So let's take a look at the next color. So here's the purple one. I didn't even realize it had a little branding right there, so you do see that i-Blason. But you can have a good look at the case. Same case, so won't spend a whole lot of time on it. Just so you can have a look at the design of it and the coloring. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the other color. And here we have blue. So I do like that combination right there. Pretty cool looking. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other cases. So they're naming this one Cosmo. Again, it's by i-Blason. The first one we're going to look at is this colored Cosmo Ocean. So let's take a look. Let's see here. Open this up. A little cool design on the back. Again, your same material as far as your thank you card and installation guide that was in the other case. So I won't spend a lot of time with that as well. Put that aside there. And here's the case. Nice little design on the back of this, so pretty cool. Let's take a look at let's take a look at the lip first. As you can see there, it's a decent amount of lip. Not as much as the other one, but you still have it there, as you can see. Take a look at the cutouts. Your camera cutout. You can see how thick it is right there. And your buttons. And your bottom cutouts. All right, so let's take a look at the next color. So this one is called Prazio. So Cosmo Prazio color. Nice unique design on the back there. So that's pretty cool looking. All right, let's take a look at the next color. And next we have the Amethyst color. So that's pretty cool there. All right. Next we have purple with the combination of rose gold, as you can see on the sides there. So a nice little combination they got going there. In fact, let's have a look at it a little closer. So as you can see there, so pretty cool color combination. Next we have marble, and it has that rose gold on the side, as you can see as well. So it's a pretty cool looking combination, as you can see. Okay. So last but not least, we have another marble colored one, but this is different from this one. This case is more like these three up here, and these are separate. So if you want to compare the two, you can kind of see the difference. This has like that rose gold look to it on the side, and you can see this has clear buttons, whereas this one does not have clear buttons. And then of course the design on the back is a bit different as well. But again, this is the marble colored one, as you can see. Now these cases are available for pre-order on i-Blason's website. So I will have that link posted in the description. You can use that link to pre-order these cases, but eventually they will be available on Amazon, so you'll be able to get it there as well. So, and when that does happen, I will have that posted in the description as well. Now, regarding the contest giveaway for these cases, I will have a participation link in the description section of the video. Make sure you hit that link and follow what is required in order to enter for a chance to win one of these cases. Good luck to everyone. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.